Hello family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharfa and today I'm here with another video. I've filmed something similar to this, but again this is going to be super powerful and 100% effective as long as you are consecutively taking the medication. My name is Sharfa. If you're new here, please kindly do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so that you can always be notified once I upload a new video. So guys, the first thing before even I forget, congratulations to us. We are at 650. Woo! Yeah, so I'm giving this to everyone who has subscribed. Please, let's continue the fire burning. Let's head to 1K with you. Yes, we can do this. And again, yeah, I think that's it for today. But guys, I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Invite your friends, tell them to come and join me. And I need genuine support. I don't need someone to subscribe today and the following day once I upload a video you don't even watch it, you just dump it, or even just stop, or maybe I don't know, whatever, but you don't even pass by. So at least it's always better for someone to come, subscribe, and maybe once I upload a video you can even come and just watch like for 2 minutes. It's okay, yeah, than having a big number of subscribers and again you have less people who visit your channel. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So anyway, so today I'm here with another amazing remedy that is going to help you lose belly fat. Yes, I repeat, lose belly fat. So a lot of people have been asking me like which kind of other remedies can I use to lose belly fat, and at least I've been trying to recommend the remedy today that I'm going to give you. I've been trying to recommend it to some people, and hopefully 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they tell you that yeah, they are seeing results. So this remedy is going to help you flush out all the dangerous stuff that you don't need in your body. It will help you slim your body, not actually slimming your body like too much. It depends to what you need. If you see the results, you are free to stop taking the remedy. So guys, without further ado, let's jump into this remedy, and guys, hope you like it. And please, if you want 100% effective results, you gotta be taking this every single day. Yes, I repeat, every single day, because natural remedies, they always take their time, but consistency helps you get the result that you wanna achieve. So guys, let's jump into the video.
Our first ingredient, we are going to be using cucumber. Cucumber water has plenty of health benefits, such as helping us burn more calories and flush out toxins. The reason why we are going to use cucumber, it is most beneficial ingredient when it comes to losing belly fat and detoxing our body, since it is rich in source of water, vitamins and essential minerals. Also, cucumber is also high in fiber because they are crunchy, so sometimes when you eat them raw, they'll help you scrub your teeth, and also they are of great help in a way that the high water content also helps you to coat your mouth so it doesn't dry out. So cucumber will also help you stay hydrated and also feel full because of the anti-inflammatory properties which are in the cucumber. So always use cucumber. It is also good at cutting serious calories from your diet if at all you want to lose weight. So make sure that you first wash your cucumber, peel it off if it's not organic, so you can never know. So it's always great to peel it off, then you chop it or cut it into small slices. Yeah, so the reason why we want to add cucumber as our first ingredient, it's because it is also great at burning more calories and detoxifying our body. second ingredient, as you can see, it is ginger. You can get like 5 thumb of ginger, like you can measure, or I don't know, inches somehow, yeah, like that. But we are going to be using ginger. Ginger is great for balancing blood sugar. It is good at relieving nausea if you are pregnant. Most of when people are pregnant, they always advise them to at least take some ginger. Yeah, so it's good at also promoting weight loss and cleansing out your body system, your digestion system, and it settles your stomach. So if you have stomach upsets, always get your ginger and, yeah, maybe get some boiled water, add it in. Yeah, it can be of great help when it comes to digestion. So I'm going to also use it for losing weight. So make sure that you first wash it very well. Don't use a dirty root ginger. So we are going to wash it. You can leave the skin on or you can peel it off, but me mostly I don't want peeling off the skin, so I always use everything to get more benefit, more health benefit from the ginger. So you also just cut it into small pieces, and then we are going to grate it or blend it. Next step is I'm going to pound my ginger to make smooth paste. Now my ginger is ready, so if you have a grater, you can grate it. Next ingredient that we are going to add in, we are going to add in lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use lime. Lemon is a great way to help cleanse your system along with alkalizing the body. You also need to find lemon which is not spoiled. Yeah, so always get something like, yeah, when it's still fresh, it will help you cleanse your skin, then also leaving you full, you won't feel hungry. Yes, so it will also help you detoxify your body. There are so many benefits with lemon skin, so that's why I'm not going to cut it or peel it off. So I'm going to put it the way how it is. So but to some people they may want to peel off the skin, but because of the healthier benefits, I'm not going to peel off the skin. Step, we are going to get a clean pan, and then we add in 3 full cups of water. Pouring water into our pan, we had to place it onto our cooker at least the water reaches some boiling point. So then we are going to be adding in our lemon slices, and then we are going to be adding our pounded ginger or grated ginger. Then we are going to leave it to boil for 20 to 25 minutes. Yes, then we will wait for it to cool, and then I'll be telling you the other ingredients that we are going to be adding in. So after 20 minutes, this is how our mixture looks like. You are really serious about your weight loss journey, at least you have to do this 2 consecutive weeks for you to have something like detoxifying and cleansing your body. So when you start consuming this drink, it will take you to the toilet. So taking it, you also need to take water to stay hydrated. So you also need to be taking water at least every single day to stay hydrated. Next step is that we are going to get our jar and put at least half or 1 glass of water. Then we also pour in our mixture because it is too concentrated. Yes, so you may not like it, you may say that it's sour, but when you do this format, at least it will be easy for you to take it in. Yeah, so you keep this in the fridge. So we are done. This is our juice now. So the next thing is we are going to add in our cucumbers. Yes, we are going to be adding in our cucumber. So you're going to place this into your refrigerator and you'll be taking it whenever you're feeling thirsty during the day, but the best time it is at night when you're going to sleep. This will help you detoxify your body, slim. This is such an amazing drink for you to lose belly fat. Yes, I mean it. Just be consistent and you will come back and testify how amazingly it has worked for you. So guys, thank you for staying around. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best.
Till next time, in my next new video, please don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so that you can always be the first person to be notified once I upload my new video. Until next time, bye bye.